Okay, sorry English medium students for posting video in Gujarati, but Gujarati is my natural language. So फन जो मेरे अंदर कूट कूट के भरा हुआ है वो सिर्फ गुजराती में बाहर आता है. इंग्लिश में तो मैं हमेशा सोचती रहती हूँ कि अभी आगे क्या बोलूँ. सो प्लीज अलाउ मी. और दूसरा है कि ये क्लास नहीं है, किसी को कंपलसरी अटेंड नहीं करना है, ये फिजियोलॉजी का सिलेबस नहीं है, ये मैं अपने शौक से करती हूँ. ठीक है, तो फिर कोई कंप्लेन मत करना कि मैडम ऐसा सिखाया वैसा सिखाया. दिस इज एक्स्ट्रा फ्री सोशल सर्विस है ना, तो मुझे डांटने का भी तुम लोगों को हक नहीं है. ठीक है ना. हाँ ठीक है, चलो कोई बात नहीं, पर आई विल ट्राई. ठीक है. सबसे पहले एनी क्लिनिकल डैम प्रैक्टिकल व्हाट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर? इंफॉर्मेशन, कंसेंट एंड एश्योरेंस. And now this is a Gujarat Rajya. The local language is Gujarati, and even some Marathi patients are also there. But in exam, you have to speak 3 Gujarati sentence. You can't speak in Hindi. You can't speak in English. You have to speak in Gujarati. On very first day, you know, when there is a language course. Last year, I was the coordinator of Gujarati language course. I told the students that you have to communicate with a subject in Gujarati language. So after a completion of a year, if you people are complaining about that we can't understand Gujarati, now second year and clinical term is just near at your doorstep, है ना. तो pulse clinical examination, first of all, whatever you do, semi-pronated arm of a subject and semi-flexion at a wrist. So this is semi-flexion at a wrist. Okay, semi-flexion at wrist. Now some people grab like this, some people grab like this. However you grab the hand of a subject, make sure your ring finger is near by thumb, your index finger is near by cubital fossa. This is cubital fossa. So okay, this is the right. Okay. Why? Every finger has a specific function. I am not going to tell you, just go and read in a journal, okay? But ring finger, avoid extra pulsation from ulnar arch. So here by the ulnar arch pulsation comes ring finger obliterates, compressive. So ring finger near the thumb. Toe. Some comedy so you can remember. Okay, ring finger near the thumb. Okay. Done. Another point. Now mug up this Gujarati sentence. First, information. How you will inform the patient that I am going to perform so and so practical examination on you. This is information. This is for your benefit. No harm to you will be done. My assurance. And third is consent. May I touch you? May I do it? Okay. In Gujarati, for adding some comedy touch, I say कि किडनी नहीं काढ़ी लेता, मतलब हमें तुम्हारी किडनी नहीं काढ़ी लिए. So you don't mug that sentence, huh? That sentence means you are telling the patient that we will not remove your kidney. So that is for joke, that for comedy. Don't mug it that sentence, okay? Okay, ready? So I am speaking again in Gujarati. There are those sentences. First English, then Gujarati. So first information. I am going to perform you on a examination of pulse. હું તમારા નાડીના ધબકારાની તપાસ કરવાનો છું. Second, this is for your benefit. No harm will be done to you. આ તમારા ફાયદા માટે છે, આનાથી તમારું કોઈ નુકસાન થશે નહીં. This was assurance. Now you ask for consent. May I do it or may I touch you? તો શું હું કરી શકું? This you have to mug it up, okay? So now, pulse, OSPI, information, consent, assurance done. Same thing is repeated in BP. Every clinical damn subject, when human subject is there, you have to ask, you have to go these 3 steps. Information, assurance and, I forgot, consent. Done? Now what? Okay. So what most common mistake students do, they forget the wristwatch. So in university exam, I have scolded the student who asked my watch that madam please give us your watch, and we have forgot our watch. And one time 5 students were doing practical from one watch. So please keep your own watch. If you don't have watch, ask from senior, ask from mom, dad. But on the practical day, 3 practical day, and at biochem, physiology, don't forget the wristwatch. Very bad impression. Very bad impression. Another thing. Another mistakes in pulse examination. Yes. Then when we ask them, what did you do? Okay. So they just say, I measured the pulse for 1 minute and it is 80 or something, 72 per beat per minute. Now they stand like this. So I ask, your practical is complete? Say yes. Okay. Rate is only one criteria. There are 11 to 12 criteria. I have remembered some by mnemonic. Okay. So what do you say sutra in English? I have made a formula. Okay. So rough puff SC, double RF, PF, SC. R for rate, R for rhythm, F for form, P for pressure. Pressure is also called volume. F for force. Okay. S for symmetry and C for condition of vessel wall. You go in any journal and any book, criteria are there. Made your own formula. Okay. So now, how do you speak a result? That is very much important. Not just here, even in final year when you will have a MBBS medicine. Same things. Okay. Same pulse exam, same abnormal pulse and everything. JVP and same procedure you have to do there. Okay. So first year is quite repetitive. First year content repeats all over the 5 year. So now understand, mug it up. How will you speak after you perform a procedure or method? You will speak like this. I have performed pulse examination in this subject in a supine position. Actually, another session for this, but in supine position. Right radial artery, rate is 80 per minute with regular rhythm. Rhythm is never normal. Rhythm is always regular. Then normal are pulse, another RRF हो गया ना, rate, rhythm, force कवर हो गया एक सेंटेंस में. 80 per minute, rhythm regular. Now all things normal. Which things normal? Normal force, normal character, normal volume, है ना. फिर bilateral symmetrical means after checking the pulse in the right radial artery you have to show off, नाटक करना है, लेफ्ट में भी देखना है, ठीक है. सो bilateral symmetrical, इधर 89 है तो इधर भी 89 होना चाहिए. एंड then you roll over like this, you see the condition of vessel wall, it is normally, है ना. सो ये नॉर्मल है. बाकी डिटेल तुम पढ़ लो. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू स्टैंड ऑन अ राइट साइड ऑफ अ सब्जेक्ट. ओके. आपको क्लिनिकल में हमेशा राइट साइड ही खड़े रहना है. मुझे नहीं पता ये ट्रेडिशन कैसे चालू हुआ. अगर तुमको पता है तो मेरे को बताओ, ठीक है. आई विल शेयर विथ एवरीवन.